Hi everyone, my name is Jolijn and today we are going to look at an exciting part of the Impraise People Enablement Platform, Goals and OKRs, or in other words, Objectives and Key Results. OKRs were first made famous by Intel and Google, and they play an important foundation for setting goals and establishing alignment across any organization, because OKRs help bridge the gap between your company strategy and day-to-day execution. OKRs also bring visibility for leadership and make sure that managers are bringing focus for their team. So, I am excited today to explore how you can use Impraise OKRs to build a strong, high-performing organization where everyone is working together. Let's begin with HR. It's important that the platform you select is flexible enough to align with the way that you want to use goals as a company. Impraise can support you, whether you only want to increase visibility on your strategic objectives, whether only some of your teams are setting goals, or whether all of your teams are contributing towards company objectives with clear KPIs, deadlines, and assigned owners. You can rest easy here, knowing that you and your teams have the flexibility to scale as you grow. Once your company objectives have been set and teams understand how they can contribute each quarter, HR now has a clear view of how teams are performing against their assigned objectives and key results. This helps to provide an overview of performance by team and to identify whether resources are allocated effectively. Next up, let's look at leadership. Leadership needs a bird's eye view of what all the teams are working on to make sure that everyone truly is aligned to these strategic objectives. If there is a misalignment, leadership can quickly identify this and adjust accordingly, rather than finding out when it's too late to course correct effectively. Once everyone is aligned, the owner of each objective or key result can easily give an update on their progress towards the desired metric, as well as leave notes for additional context to anyone who is interested either now or in the future when reflecting on past performance. Quickly updating if they're on track, at risk, or off track towards achieving the desired result helps people stay up to date with a quick glance so they can help get things back on track if needed. From a manager perspective, OKRs help to create focus within their teams so that everyone is working together on the right strategic objectives. This helps to improve engagement and collaboration within as well as across teams, now that everyone is all moving in the same direction. Managers can also easily provide visibility on what the team is working on and how they're contributing to strategic objectives. This reduces the burden of stakeholder management, as they only need to update progress towards key results in one place for everyone to see. Finally, let's look at the most important part, your people. OKRs support your people at the individual level by increasing focus and alignment on what they should be working on, improving both their performance and their engagement. Your people can also set their own personal development goals to facilitate their professional growth. This alignment means that there should be less surprises when discussing performance with their manager. Because Impraise offers a range of tools to support people enablement, it is much easier for managers to assess performance and have valuable coaching conversations with each team member. When the goal cycle is complete, Impraise Reviews allows flexible options for assessing performance. One-on-ones help to create structure for regular coaching conversations, and real-time feedback makes it easy to provide constructive feedback or supportive praise in the moment from managers, but also the people they work with the most. So there you have it. Impraise OKRs can provide anyone with the tools that they need to bridge the gap between your company's strategy and day-to-day execution, while also helping you build a strong culture of feedback by using OKRs alongside the wider People Enablement Platform. Now please go ahead and explore the rest of Impraise, and feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or if you'd like to learn more about how we can help you grow your people and grow your business. Thank you for watching.